the bat going on. We got a Transit. This is a DW2111. It's a mid-roof Transit. This windshield is tinted. Tinted on top of a tint on top. There was someone asking about whether you can tint or you can put the bat on a tinted windshield or not. It's pretty cold. I've had my bat in the van all morning. It's cold. This is an original windshield, so it should come out really simple. We got a what's it called up next? Got the ProSet set up, getting ready to go on here. Now here we go over the two. I'm gonna go over the two lines. So tinted with a tint line on top of it, and the bat is going over the two. Look, we're doing just fine. Do these still have pins? I can't remember. Yeah, these do, huh? Oh yeah, we're good. We'll just blast through that sucker. Just like the other. Hold the line and it blast it. Alright. Let's get a little bit of this going over there. A little long right now. Whew. Got a pin down here. Huh. Find some weird shit up in there. Never know. Alright. Now we got the bat right here. Let's go ahead and pull this bottom across. Oh, a little thick right here. Oh yeah. Okay. This pillar is pretty low itself, so I don't think it's touching the pillar at all there. Ooh. Careful, you're getting flow, that thing will pop right out on you. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, don't forget no oil sticker. Let's see, so we got up here, we got our plug. Pull this down, make sure that wire is not in the way. Alright, now, okay, let's finish making that cut. I do like using the screwdriver, but for me, I have a hard time hanging on to two of these little pieces. Okay, so the initial start was over here, on the side over here in the passenger. We moved it over here, or down here or something. Now we're moving it up here, just to finish off that cut. Now it's going, oops, yeah. So I'm pulling this line, this side up, and then once it gets up to here, it's going to come across and pull those two together. You can clearly see there's no, that's sitting off of the pinch weld. Okay. Okay, hit the setting pin. There we go. That's it. You've watched that bitch drop.